Gold, the most desired metal on Earth, begins its journey here.
In massive mines, machines move mountains just to find a trace of gold.
Hidden deep inside these rocks lies the raw gold treasure.
Miners risk it all, drilling deep underground for gold.
A massive blast breaks the hard earth to release the gold. Tons of gold-rich earth are scooped up every single minute.
The gold rocks are sent to the processing plant.
Can you see the tiny sparkles? That is raw gold.
It is a 24-hour gold operation that never stops.
Now, the real science of gold begins.
Giant crushers chew up the big gold rocks instantly, turning solid goldstone into small pebbles. The gold production line moves fast. Then, a ball mill grinds the gold ore into fine dust. This gray powder holds the gold fortune. Water, that's just making dirt goes into the camp. Water weighs away the dirt from the gold.
Gravity separates the heavy gold from the light sand.
Look closely, you can see the gold glitter.
But the gold is still trapped inside the ore. We need chemistry to unlock the gold. The gold mud is mixed with special chemicals. This reaction forces the gold to separate. A filter press squeezes out the gold sludge.
It looks like dirt, but this is actually gold. We heat up the gold sludge to remove moisture. Now we have dry, concentrated gold dust.
Flux is added to help the gold melt.
The gold mixture goes into a crucible pot.
Into the furnace the gold goes.
The temperature reaches the melting point of gold. Watch the magic happen. The dust turns into liquid gold. The heat of the gold is intense. Liquid gold, glowing bright orange. The most satisfying gold pour you will ever see. Sparks fly as the gold hits the mold. Slowly, the gold changes color. Out comes the rough gold bar. A quick dip to cool the gold down.
It is gold, but not pure enough yet.
Testing the gold before refining. To get 99.99% purity, we dissolve the gold in acid.
The gold vanishes into the liquid.
Impurities are filtered out from the gold.
Then, we bring the pure gold back to solid form.
Washing the gold sand with distilled water.
Ready for the final gold melt.
The gold melts instantly into a bright yellow liquid.
Creating small gold grains. These grains are the purest form of gold.
Precision is key. Exactly 1,000 grams of gold.
A torch melts the gold grains inside the mold,
Filling the gold bar shape perfectly.
Smoothing the gold surface with fire.
Watch the gold freeze. Beautiful.
And there it is, the gold kilobar. Cooling the gold one last time.
Ready for the stamp of authenticity. Stamped with 999.99 gold purity.
Every gold bar gets a unique ID.
Polishing the gold to a mirror finish.
Look at that gold shine. Perfection.
Gold weight check. Spot on.
Inspected for any tiny scratches on the gold.
Final wipe down of the gold.
Sealing the gold for security. Placed in luxury gold packaging. A stack of pure gold wealth.
The gold is loaded into armored trucks.
Safe inside the bank gold vault. Finally, artisans turn gold bars into art. Creating thin gold wires.
Handcrafted gold with skill.
Adding diamonds to the gold for extra sparkle.
Ready for the gold showroom.
displayed in luxury gold stores.
From the dirt to your hand.
It is expensive, but worth the gold.
A symbol of success.
And that is the incredible journey of gold. Subscribe.